How to fix Roblox not launching? Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is end Roblox tags. For that, click the search bar again and type Tags Manager, open it. Search for any Roblox related processes. If you see any, right click and select End Task. Next, run as administrator. For that, close this, head over to Roblox player, right click on it. From the list of options, select Open File Location. Now right-click the Roblox Player Launcher.exe, choose Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Now you'll need to check in for the option Run this program as administrator. Next up, clear temporary files. For that, close this, search for Run. Now type in %temp%, then press OK. Now you'll need to delete all these files. Press Ctrl+A to select all the files, then right-click and choose Delete. Now, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option Apps. Click on the option Installed Apps. Now search for Roblox. Once it appears, click on three dots and select the option Uninstall. Once it has been installed, launch your Microsoft Store or launch your preferred browser, search for Roblox and then install it. Following these steps will fix Roblox not launching. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.